I wanted to share my review on this slow cooker. This is a 10-quart slow cooker. This has just been wonderful for my family. As a mom, I am always looking for quick, easy meal ideas. I can throw everything in here and just leave it for the day and it's ready to go for supper time. This is so simple. It just has 3 settings there. It has off, low, high, and warm. So when it's done, you can flip it to warm and it just stays warm until you're ready to eat. My absolute favorite feature about this is the insert is so lightweight. It's not like a heavy glass like most of them. It is so lightweight, and it has these little grip handles on here to help hold on to it. It's like a non-stick material, so cleaning it is a breeze. And then you also have this lid with a nice grip handle as well. Highly recommend this.